a very exciting history for Maserati. As you know, we started building passenger vehicles with race engines in 19. And this is the exciting collection of vehicles that truly represents that mindset for Maserati. The heart of which is the Tuno V6, 3 liters, twin turbo V6, of which is right behind the stand for us. And that is the heart, the beating heart of every single one of the vehicles on the stand today, in various outlets. The most exciting part of our stand is the GT2 Stradale, which is to my left. 2025, based on the MC20 Coupe, but it is the road-going, track-focused version of the MC20. It is taking elements of our award-winning GT2 race car from the GT2 Fanatic Championship Series in Europe, and really creating an exciting vehicle that is focused for the track, but it is exciting and engaging for the road. A number of elements have been enhanced as well. We have more power, about 10 more horsepower out of the Tuno V6, 631 horsepower. We're putting that down by more aggressive tires, lighter wheels, and also an enhanced management of the airflow around the vehicle. Starting at the front, we have a really aggressive front splitter, again to make sure the airflow is clean around the vehicle. You're getting air out of the wheel wells, out of these new air extractors. We have enhanced cooling in the front as well. Again, getting air out of the front of the vehicle and managed around the vehicle. You have a large air intakes, again for enhanced air for the engine and cooling as well. And of course our rear, you have a new aggressive diffuser, a new, and also a new rear wing on top of it, in addition to the spoiler. So this is a really special vehicle for Maserati, again that we were racing in our early years, and now we're back to doing so and winning successfully. We look in the interior of the vehicle, we also have newer, lightweight carbon-fiber monocoque seats, and also a new aggressive center console that's a dial. It's really dialing the perfect amount of traction for your track day experience. The GT2 Stradale is currently available to order with our dealers across the country, and it goes on sale or launching this summer for us. To my left is the heart of Maserati, the Gran Turismo and Gran Cabrio. The vehicles have been part of our lineage for a very long time. And as you know, they have the beating heart of the Tuno V6. Both of which are featured here as Trofeo models, 542 horsepower. But again, the Gran Turismo and Gran Cabrio are thoroughly modern for the modern era of Maserati. All new exterior, all new platform. For the first time ever, we have all-wheel drive, air suspension, adaptive dampers. More technology within the vehicle. We have a 12-inch instrument cluster, 12-inch upper, 8-inch lower, heated and cooled seats, and a number of other features added to the vehicle to really make it a true Maserati product. And actually a first for us on the Gran Cabrio is the air scarf or neck warmer. Really common in that segment. Below the Gran Turismo Gran Cabrio Trofeo is our new 483 horsepower V6. Again, all-wheel drive, air suspension, adaptive dampers, but again, a nice price point for the segment. And of course, because of the area that we're in, right positioned above the Trofeo is the Fiore. The Fiore is a Lightning and Italian, and it's an all-electric, 751 horsepower, tri-motor Gran Turismo Gran Cabrio. It's a truly fast and capable vehicle, but again, very comfortable for your 4 passengers, luggage, and to go to a nice journey with your friends and family. And of course, to my left, going to the heart of the mid-size SUV segment. It's a Recale. This is our volume model from Maserati. And again, it's featured in Trofeo skies, 523 horsepower, again out of the Tuno V6, all-wheel drive, air suspension, adaptive dampers, so very capable, very well equipped. Also adaptive cruise control, sunroof, and leather interior. Positioned just below the Trofeo, we have 2 different models sharing the same powertrain. 325 horsepower, 2-liter, 4-cylinder turbocharged engine with mild power technology. Both with 325 horsepower. And again, with those, you need more luxurious or more sporty-oriented vehicle, you're adding adaptive dampers and a mechanical limited differential. And then lastly, of course, as you know the area that we're in, we have positioned right above the Stradale, the floor. 550 horsepower, all electric, dual motor setup, about 4 seconds, 0 to 60. So again, a very exciting lineup for Maserati. This is really the perfect garage to have, honestly, in my opinion. It's a lot of fun to drive. As I wrap up here, I do want to give a quick nod to Matt Rendone, the head of PR for Maserati America. Matt is here. So thank you for joining us today, and please enjoy the rest of the show. Thank you.
Look at the size of those discs. Fence right through. Made in Modena. Wow. Oh my gosh.
I'm so sorry about that, just because right now we're trying to have I got it. So it's like what you see, right?
Sure, got it. Give me the nod though when you can.
Yeah.
You see me outside?
Absolutely.
All of them are off limits right now?
I like the carbon fiber all the way through. And our everyday Maserati.
Absolutely.
This is Pam from NortheastWheelsEvents.com at the 2025 New York International Auto Show. For more cool events like this, make sure you check your car show calendars. NortheastWheelsEvents.com, SoutheastWheelsEvents.com, UKWheelsEvents.com, and remember, while you're there, post and promote your events. I'll see you at the shows.